Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Subway Servers. Got new characters today while I was playing. New character? New characters. I didn't see this one. Ooh, nice characters you decided to put. Excuse me, guys, but there's 3 characters I really want to show. Like, I want to unlock this one, and this one. I just don't know why, but this is only 23 hours. I don't know. I don't like it. I got this character. I don't know why. What character should I put on? I'm gonna put on Fresh. Red Solo Cop. I fill you up. Solo. La 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 wing la 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 wing. And I'm broke. They spend my coins just for this.
Okay, I'll put my boss. Say, sir, am I allowed to leave? He said, no. Okay, I'm not allowed to leave. I don't know why I just asked that. I was kind of dumb. He was still talking. I don't know what's going on. But he said, private jet, bro. He said, you have a job to do. Okay, we're talking about $1,000 a day. He's talking about millions.
Oh, we had to do it.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. You know what? Let's go. So you have a job to do. Oh, no. My bank account's not. He said, if you leave right now, you will lose your job. My job.
Apply Lush Red lipstick.
Sorry, sir. I have to take
She
the
loves
risk.
it.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Private jet.
More lipstick.
If he's lying to me, bro, I am gonna be so screwed. He said you made the right choice, buddy. Okay, I hope so.
More brushing.
Airports, I don't think he's just straight up scamming.
Can't stop
He's
using
actually
this
legit.
colour.
So follow me. Okay, we're doing. Okay. I'm not gonna lie.
Can't beat this eyeshadow.
Before, okay, I've been poor my whole life. Never been on a plane. I'm being honest with you.
Please don't
Here we
nuke
go.
me.
Oh my gosh, we're boarding the plane. Oh my gosh, look how sick this is. Just sit down. Okay. I'll just sit down. Sorry, sir. Wow.
Skincare. I think this is skincare. I don't know. I never did my makeup, okay? I'm a boy. I don't do makeup. At least I do my sister's makeup for no reason. I'm out. Dude, I played this game and I deleted it off my phone because no reason. This guy kept beating me. He was like maybe Indian. Good work. Easiest game. Yeah. I'm just trying to make me down. I just had to. I'll just waste anything just to get these suitcases from New York, maybe? Boy, you're so lucky I watched 2 hours, because you guys are gonna be like, Junior, that's so cheating. I'm not cheating, dude. And how did that guy upset my friend request for 2K followers, I forgot his name, got so viral in 2 days? Like, how? If this gets to like 50K likes, maybe, I'll do a full video of watching funny moments, so you guys can enjoy little funny moments. Red Solo Cup. I fill you up. How do I play this game? Again? What the heck? What just happened? I can't move. I don't feel my legs. Wow, how did I do that? Buzz, you're in big trouble. Red Solo Cup. Should I try doing this event again?
Let's go, boys. Here you go, Mom. You can have some of this money. She said, oh, yes, I'm so proud. Oh, I love you, Mom. Alright, boys, that was the video. If you guys enjoyed, like, over, just smash the like button and subscribe if you did. That was insane. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.
Red Solo Cup. What the heck? What just happened? WTH. What just happened? What the? Okay, that was not. Okay. Oh! Oh, no. What the? Yalla, traleo, tralala, brain rot. Oh my god. Why did Moana just pop out on my TV? What the? What just happened? Skateboard.
An amazing girl named Baby Girl Tat. She's super nice and happy all the time, and you guys like to see it. So I'm putting together the full story of Baby Girl Tat. From me adopting her, to her getting kidnapped, and even finding out who her real mom is. I hope you all enjoy. Okay, boys, so as you can see right now, I'm at the adoption center. I may be wondering, why am I here? Well, I decided to adopt.
I'll see you when I finish. 40 million subs in face review. I want to get this to 2 million views and 16k likes. Please, I just want to become a great content creator. No. Okay, I'm not the joke. I want to be in like a movie so you guys can see myself. Next in oven. We won't talk about. We won't talk about it. Oh heck no! I just almost died. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye.